Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can move your Squarespace domain to another Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on one of my Squarespace sites. Now, all of the sites that I do have, they are all on the free trial version, and they all have a specific link or URL or domain that is built into the site, which I cannot change nor can I transfer it. However, it is a very simple process, and I'll explain it how in just a second. But the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the settings menu, go into settings, click on domains and email, click on domains, select the domain that you want to move. In this case, it's just this one. And as you can see, since it's the built-in domain, I really don't have any other options. However, now I'm going to go over into the Squarespace help article on this topic. Now, before you actually move it, you're going to need to be eligible to move it, and to be eligible, you need to be the site owner or administrator on the site. If you're moving a domain from a parking page to a paid site, you're going to need to be the domain owner of the domain that you're moving it to. And if the site you're moving isn't on the same account, you need to request to be added as a contributor. And if you have Google Workspace attached to your domain, ensure it meets the requirements to move automatically. Now, once you actually meet all the requirements, what you need to do is open up the dashboard, which I've mentioned, click on the domain, which I've mentioned, then scroll down and click Move Domain, select the thumbnail of the page or website that you want to move it to, and then if everything looks correct, just click Confirm, and within a day or 2 or 3, your domain will be moved to that other site, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.